In this tutorial, we are going to talk about React Native versus Flutter. And will Flutter kill React Native or React Native will stay dominant? Let's find out. In this video, I'm going to compare both mobile frameworks so that you can decide which is better for you and which one you should learn in 2023. So React Native and Flutter are the top two mobile frameworks for building cross-platform mobile apps. Cross-platform means developer can write just a single code base and the app can be deployed for Android, iOS, and web. With the revolutionized of tech industry, businesses are looking for mobile development approach that can create solution quick and cost efficient. And cross-platform mobile framework is the solution to it. React Native is released on 2015 by Facebook then, which is now called Meta. Here are some popular examples of mobile application that built by React Native, such as Facebook, Instagram, Discord, and Pinterest. On the other hand, Flutter is released on 2017 by Google. Here are some popular examples of mobile application that built by Flutter, such as Google Pay, NU Bank, and PUBG Mobile. Flutter has gained a lot of popularity recently and has overtaken React Native as Google started to invest more and more into Flutter framework, which they announced frequent updates on Google I/O. Such action intrigued more and more people to start learning Flutter. In terms of programming language, React Native uses JavaScript. If you are a JavaScript developer, regardless of front-end or back-end, React Native is the most straightforward path for you to get into mobile development career. On the other side, Flutter uses Dart programming language, which is a new object-oriented language created by Google. Dart compiles the source code in the same way as other programming languages like JavaScript. So it is as easy to learn as if you already know JavaScript because it is similar to JavaScript. However, in terms of community, JavaScript has been around for a long time which accumulated huge community base. You can easily find source code and solution on websites like stackoverflow.com. Dart is considered new and the community is growing rapidly. Next, in terms of maturity, as of 2023, React Native is considered stable on using third-party packages such as payment or geolocation. For Flutter, third-party libraries are still new and adapting to Flutter frameworks. If you wish to integrate payment gateway or geolocation through Mapbox library, you might face some unprecedented errors. Lastly, in terms of UI library, Flutter comes with a comprehensive library of beautiful UI widgets. This is because Flutter is integrated with Google Material Design. That is not for the case for React Native. You have to reach out to third-party UI library. Using third-party UI libraries may require developer to compromise on the design of your app. This is because UI libraries can be difficult to customize as they are often requires developer to write a lot of code to make changes. Additionally, third-party libraries require maintenance to keep them up to date with the latest version of the framework. This could be a hassle to the developers if you have a strict opinion on the UI design. Overall, I think both React Native and Flutter are good enough to provide solutions for businesses. Both frameworks have their own advantages and disadvantages. If you are thinking on mobile development career, make sure you check the job demand of the mobile frameworks in your region before deciding which mobile framework to pick. If you reside in United States, Flutter might be a better choice to start your mobile development career. Here on my channel, I have created some Flutter tutorials for beginner. If you are new to Flutter and wish to pick up this skill, you can start from our project tutorial, which we have lots of project ideas with source code provided. In my opinion, first of all, you should ask yourself why you want to learn mobile app development. Are you looking for a job? Or you have an idea and you want to turn it into reality? Knowing the reason behind will help you pick the most suitable framework for you. If you are looking for a job, check the region job market is important as I mentioned before. Do your own research and decide based on data. If you are looking to build your own application, then job market doesn't matter to you anymore. What's matter is the time to market. To determine time to market, you should firstly know the learning path of both frameworks. For React Native, you have to learn JavaScript first, then React, then only React Native. On the other hand, for Flutter, you have to learn Dart, then Flutter itself. Learning Flutter is much faster than going through JavaScript, React, and React Native. So do you want to learn React Native or Flutter? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.